Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros bake with Shivesh. Start by preparing a smooth chew-like dough, then fill a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Pipe consistent lengths onto a lined tray, chill briefly to hold shape, and bake until golden and crisp. Finish by rolling warm churros in cinnamon sugar and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Measure ingredients precisely and bring water, butter, and sugar to a quick simmer, then stir in flour off heat. Mix until a smooth ball forms, cool slightly, and beat in eggs gradually for elasticity. Transfer batter to a sturdy bag with a large star tip and practice piping on a parchment to set even lengths before chilling. This approach ensures uniform baking and consistent ridges for cinnamon coating later. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal in heat and prevent sauce spills, perfect for storing churros and dipping sauces on the go. They save time and keep treats fresh, plus they stack neatly in the fridge. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Arrange piped churros with space between for expansion, then slide the tray into a preheated oven and monitor closely for even browning. Baking time varies by size, so look for a firm exterior with a hollow sound when tapped. Remove when lightly golden, cool briefly, and toss in a cinnamon sugar mix while still warm to help the coating stick. Serve with chocolate or dulce de leche for dipping and enjoy the texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.